This is Angry Birds clay, because my little brother made these little clay Angry Birds. And
are you making a video?
we're gonna try and destroy these pigs. That's the setup. Alright. So start.
First up, yellow bird. Ah,
He missed.
Oscar, you screwed me up. Now, for the red bird.
So you had your last exam today,
Now,
sir?
I
did.
big.
How'd it go?
It was easy. It's
Yeah.
the
Ah.
welcome
Now,
class.
boomerang.
Oh.
So it's
Yeah.
point is trying
Boomerang
to
hit
pull that
one.
major, so like,
But is he dead?
bring a note card.
Yeah, he died.
Where'd he go?
But I mean, I have
Oh, here he is. He's down here.
Wow.
He's dead.
We still got one bird left.
Alright, you've got one bird
See
left.
if he can survive. And then we have an exclusive new yellow bird. No, I'm just kidding. A red bird.
Aw.
So close.
It's not bad.
Come on, red bird.
Last the entire year.
No, he was good.
Get him. No!
Ah. Level failed. Alright, so this was just level 1, and that's it.